Hello, welcome to our podcast. So we're going to be making around Mount Rushmore of book fictional characters, Thanksgiving Day foods, video game characters, breakfast foods, and cereals. Which one do you want to do?
Video game characters.
I feel like we should do breakfast foods.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so definitely one of my favorite breakfast foods is Casey's breakfast pizza, the bacon.
That's pretty good. But
I know it is.
biscuits and gravy are better.
Only if it's homemade.
Yes, homemade biscuits and gravy.
Like homemade gravy.
Yes.
Like it can't be store-bought anything. Like pre-made gravy.
Okay. I think some nice pancakes or waffles with some bacon or sausage and some eggs are pretty good.
How about bacon pancakes?
What are those?
So you put pancake batter down in a strip, then you put the cooked bacon on the pancake, and then you put more batter over it.
No.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So wait, so is that your neck? Was that
Yep.
Okay. You need another one.
No, you need another one.
Goes you.
We go back and forth.
It goes you, me, you, me.
Okay. Trying to think here. I would say cinnamon toast crunch for breakfast every day.
Every day.
Yes, I could eat that every day.
There's so many better other cereals you could have.
Like what?
Fruity Pebbles.
No.
Yes.
No, those are mid.
No.
Yeah.
How about a nice breakfast burrito with like eggs, sausage, bacon, whatever, you know? Good stuff.
How about a Russell's omelet? They're like this big. They have like ham and cheese and peppers and eggs and sausage.
How many have you done?
I would also say like Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwiches. Like the sausage ones. Or like homemade ones.
My last pick. You can never go wrong with some Pop-Tarts. Especially if you put them in a toaster.
I don't know if I agree with that.
They're easy. Just pop them in a toaster.
Yeah, but they don't have that many nutrients that you need for a good, healthy breakfast.
Alright. I think mine is personally better.
I disagree.
Why?
Because the Pop-Tarts.
Yeah, I couldn't think of anything else. You're right. Yours isn't that bad though. You have some Casey's breakfast pizza on there.
Yeah.
That's the only good thing though.
What makes the other things not good?
I'm not a big fan of eggs.
Why?
Unless it's like mixed
It's protein though.
and a bunch of other stuff. I don't know. I don't like the taste of them.
An omelet has other stuff in it though.
But it's a lot of egg.
But it has other stuff like meat and cheese.
But it's a lot of egg. I don't like a lot of egg.
Why not? You can get a smaller omelet. What about your opinion on those breakfast sandwiches?
What's in them?
Like sausage, like a fried egg type thing, sausage or bacon and cheese. Then like it can be a biscuit, a croissant, or like
Yeah,
I don't know what the other one is.
Okay, those are pretty good. Better with no eggs though.
So you're just saying a sausage and cheese sandwich?
Yes, would be better.
Why?
Because I don't like eggs. What's so wrong with why do you not like Pop-Tarts so much?
Because they're only good when you're on a time crunch. And like they're only good when you put them in the toaster and they're warm. I did top 4 picks for me. Casey's breakfast pizza, omelet from Russell's, and then a Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwich, and then what else? I can't remember my other one. Oh, cinnamon toast crunch.
I did a breakfast burrito, biscuits and gravy, waffles or pancakes with some bacon, and Pop-Tarts.
That's a pretty bad list, not gonna lie.
Yours is worse.
Bro,
Yours is every single one of yours has like something to do with eggs. Besides cinnamon toast crunch.
because eggs are good.
No.
They're protein.
Okay.
It's healthy.